At YouTube, we offer a few options to amplify your video and music experience. YouTube Music Premium is a paid music membership specifically for the YouTube Music app. YouTube Premium includes all the benefits of YouTube Music Premium, plus benefits on YouTube and other YouTube apps. Let's start with YouTube Music Premium. As a member, you can listen to millions of songs and videos without ads. Download songs and videos to your phone to listen offline. Listen to music even if you're using other apps. Or listen to music on your Google Home or Chromecast Audio. To subscribe to YouTube Music Premium, visit youtube.com/music premium. You may be eligible to start a free trial, so check it out. Now let's talk about YouTube Premium membership. In addition to all the benefits of YouTube Music, you'll gain benefits across YouTube and other YouTube apps. You can watch millions of